Welcome to the Wing Dropship app installation and quick start guide. Click Install to begin. This demo shows the development flow. Once the app is live, you'll install it directly from the App Store. The steps are identical. Step 1. Authorization. On your first install for the current store, an account will be created. Please keep the credentials safe. If other stores under the same account later install the same app, they'll be grouped under that single account. I have entered the example email address malcolm@continueserve.com to receive the account and password details. Alternatively, you can simply copy the information provided above. Now, please click Confirm. Everything seems to be running smoothly. You should now be able to see that the creation of the virtual warehouse and product synchronization are in progress. Let's check the email at this point. Please be aware that the email might be marked as spam. My next step is to copy the password for safekeeping. Alright, we've logged into the dashboard. Now, let's log out and log back in by pasting the copied password, then click Sign In. Alright, we've logged back in, and we can now see that the Shopify product synchronization task is still in progress. I just need to quietly wait for it to finish. Step 2. Import products. The product synchronization is now complete, just as the pop-up shows. Click Products in the sidebar to confirm all items are imported. Use the top right columns button to set the number of columns per row. Once the menu is expanded, you'll see additional features. We primarily use the new Classic button to view the details. Use the Check button to review product details and Edit to modify them. Note that all products currently show no inventory. Our next step is to add inventory so we can create orders. Click Storage in Warehouse to create a stock in order linked to the product. This stock in order tracks the product's source and purchasing history. Now let's create a stock entry, inbound order. Enter the tracking waybill number. Leave the other fields at their defaults unless necessary. Click the magnifying glass icon to choose the product to receive, e.g., select the first one. Enter the carton box number. It can be arbitrary, but sequential numbering is best. Enter the quantity. You'll see another tracking number field. It's for multi-carton or multi-batch shipments and is optional. Click Add, then Confirm. The stock entry will appear in drafts. Select the new entry and click Submit to send it for back-office approval. This step doesn't have to be done by you. Our support team can handle it. The goal is simply to keep a formal inbound record. Our back office has processed the corresponding stock in order, and its status has been updated to completed. Now switch to the Products page, expand the detailed features, and click New List to view details. You'll notice the product quantity has increased. Switch to the Orders page and you'll see no orders yet, because orders need to be synced from our Shopify store. Go to Store Management to Shopify to order information. At this point, select any test order. Check the box and click Batch Push. This action imports the order from Shopify into our system. OK, done. You'll see a top right alert warning that synced inventory is insufficient. This is exactly why we created the stock in order earlier. The order has now been created successfully. Now return to Shopify's order management and enable the auto push toggle, which synchronizes orders to our system in real time. Next, switch to the Orders page and add a test order, selecting the product we handled in the stock in entry, and follow the workflow to create it. Note that product inventory cannot currently sync to Shopify due to the fulfillment service setup. To expedite launch, we'll use our system's inventory as the source of truth for now and plan a V20 upgrade after go live. OK, click Add, choose a test customer, and complete the order creation. At this stage, the order status is unfulfilled. After backend validation and synchronization, about a 5-second delay, the order will be ingested into our system. At this point, whether you check the Shopify orders page or the real-time sync view in our system's Shopify management module, you'll see the order is now in fulfilled status. Then check the orders page to confirm the order has synced in and submit it to the back end so the service can process fulfillment, shipping. Let's grab order 1008, the one that flagged an alert and never got processed, and delete it. You can use the order tables filter to adjust how many columns you see so it's easier to review. If we think this order was created by mistake or isn't needed, just select it and remove it to keep the queue clean. Let's check the matching order on Shopify's orders page. Wait a few seconds, hit refresh, and the status has switched from fulfilled back to unfulfilled. That's because deleting the order in our system triggered a webhook to Shopify to revert the order status. Now let's open our system's Shopify store to orders view. After a quick refresh, you'll see the matching order has synced back to unfulfilled as well, consistent with Shopify. Now let's review the order that's already been fulfilled and hand it off to the back office. You'll notice a status toggle here. Turn it off to clear the current status filter and make the workflow simpler. I've simulated the back office shipment submission and received a tracking number. Let's jump into Shopify and confirm the tracking number has been added to the order. For the final step, let's walk through how to use Wing Dropship's sourcing feature. Click any logo at the top of the sourcing page that interests you, for example, Etsy. Pick any product you like and copy its link. Paste the link into our URL field, then click Confirm. A confirmation dialog will pop up. This means your sourcing request has been submitted to our system. Next, click Open History. The sourcing history panel opens, recording the link you just submitted. Click the Expand button to view detailed links for the sourced sample. You can also hover over the status tooltip to see explanations for each stage. We support 3 ways to source samples: link or image or a product already in the catalog. Now let's demo sourcing for a product that already exists in the catalog. Select the product. Select the relevant variants. Click Submit. You'll see a confirmation indicating the sample has been recorded in the back end. You can switch between different statuses. For now, we'll wait for the back office to complete sourcing and provide a quote. At this stage, the sample has been sourced successfully and is awaiting our quote approval. Great, click Open History and expand the sourcing details. You'll see the product quote is $999.09. If everything looks good, click Confirm. If you have questions, leave it as is and our team will follow up. After confirming, switch the status to completed. You'll see the product status update accordingly. Next, we can move forward with offline purchasing or other value-added services. You can also click this catalog product to view its details directly.